Okay, Clark and Skip are here with the small boat restoration. Today we're working on some chocks. We're little day sailor trailers missing a set of chocks because we repurposed them into a nose wheel chock, which is one of the ways we keep the boat secure if there's a tropical storm coming through. And so somewhere we ended up minus a set of chocks. So we're making a couple of extra pair. We'll make one to finish up on Cyan and the others to go on the new utility trailer. And that might leave us, nope, that'll take care of everybody. So this Captain Jack's method of making chocks is take some scrap 2x4. And if you want to get fancy, you can shave a little bit off the edge that faces up against the tire. And the other thing he did to make them fancy was on the bottom, take a spade bit. We used about a 1-inch spade bit. Drill about halfway through. Give yourself enough space that you can hide this knot in there. And then you flip the chalk over. Take a little 1/2-inch bit or whatever the diameter of your line is. Drill a hole from the actually drill a hole from the bottom. A little trick there to keep the wood from blowing out like you see there is to throw it on top of a scrap piece of wood or the underside you don't see. When you drill through, you'll get the little mark there, but you should get a pretty clean hole on the top instead of one like this that blew out a little bit from the bit. So once you get the line run through there, let's see if I can do this right. You can just pull that in and work that knot in there and bury it. You can take a little hammer, tap it in there, and that way it'll be in there. Now a note about these chocks: if you do bevel the edge, then they become handed, and by that I mean left-handed and right-handed.